Hey yo, man, I truly hate long commutes to my workouts and literally been on this bus for an hour. Boston's traffic is unmatched, man. It's crazy. But still gonna get this lift in, still gonna make these gains. It's just gonna take a while to get there. So here we are at Links. It's day 3, week 1. So today the main lift is going to be the trap bar deadlift. Try to work my way up to a heavy set and just back down from there, 80%, and see how many reps I can get. 3 by 8, I think it is. Got to check the ebook again. All right. As always, down in the link. The link is down in the description. Check it out. All right, let's get to work. So right now, currently we are at 345 on the trap bar, and so I'm bladdering. So I'm going from 10 to 5, 4, 3, and now this is a 2. I'm gonna do 2 reps here, try to add on a little bit to the bar and go for a 1. And then after that 1, we're gonna back down into the working set. So this is like a theory called over warming up. Right, work up to your heaviest set and then back down to 80%. So that's pretty much the structure of the whole stop exercising, start training program. It's for you to work up to your heaviest set and back down from there, so that you're building strength and getting your high volume reps in as well. So if you haven't downloaded the program yet, check it out and let me know what you think. Join the community. Once again, link is in the comments below, in the description below. So holla at your boy. All right, so this is the heavy single I'm gonna be doing for today. So right now on the bar is at 375. So I'm gonna pull this for a single and then do 80% of that for my 3 by 8. And then I will be done with my heavy lifting for today, and everything else is just going to be supplemental, full body supplemental workout, which is going to include your push, your pulls, unilateral, bilateral exercises. All right, it's just that simple. All it takes is just consistency, and those results will come. And you have a community to back you up. All right, every step of the way. So let's get into it. So at this point, I'm really just listening to my body. Like that last pull wasn't as confident as it should have been. Maybe lack of sleep or lack of energy this morning, but just dropped the weight down to 275 and going to proceed in doing that 3 by 8 right here. So if you're feeling the same on that lift, that's why it's important to get that pre-warm up in, so that you can see exactly where your body is, so that you don't injure yourself. So as you can see, pulling this wasn't as confident, so back down that weight and just continuing. Let's get it. just wrapped up the accessory lifts. Now it's on to the energy system development phase of the session. This is where we maximize the fat burn effect post-workout. All right, don't skip that, it's very important. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get into it and close this video out right here. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you found some value in that. If there's any more questions, let me know and I'll holler at you at the next video. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue to join the tribe. Let's get it.